Hey, what's going on? What's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Early in the pre-market session. Actually, it's not even pre-market, hasn't even kicked off yet. Still got a little bit of time before that happens. So, what you're seeing to the right of this chart is obviously a 15-minute chart of SPY. This is after hours right there. So you can see the market, sold off, just wiping out that gap up into the pre-market session yesterday. Filled that gap and came almost to the low of Friday's session. There's some fear going on with the lack thereof when it comes to the stimulus situation. Obviously, businesses are fucking really hurting right now in the States. Continued shutdowns. New York is just literally, New York is a different city, will be a different city moving forward. Pre-COVID is I think in the past, right? Unfortunately, that city is just crushed, man. It's hopefully you guys enjoyed that type of atmosphere before, because New York will never be the same. It's you never want to say never, but it's a high probability that New York is shut the fuck down, and you're gonna see a big shift. Long story short, investors are kind of shaky, as you can see, because that the help from the government is still up in the air. He said, she said. It's just talk right now. Obviously, the 18th is going to be a big day at the end of this week here on Friday to get something in stone and distributed to those that need it. If that doesn't happen, then you're going to have some continued selling. You're going to definitely have some continued fear. Obviously, the vaccine's great. But if no one's got the money to start spending back into the economy, who gives a shit, right? So anyway, it's gonna be an interesting week, and you're seeing obviously some instability from the players on the street in yesterday's session. So whether it's just a dip, you're gonna have this reversal. Not too convinced there. It was definitely looking nice and heading a little bit of a bounce on Friday's session, but you saw what happened in yesterday's session. So whether it's going to continue having that instability, that fear, it remains to be seen. But what we're seeing yesterday was not too strong for the bulls. But that being said, a stimulus package that's actually going to occur will change that. All right, so trade cautiously. Obviously, like we always say, trade the flow. Doesn't matter what's happening in the market overall. Trade the flow. Put trend behind you. Don't fight it, guys. All right, don't fight it. Stick to your rules, stick to your process, and you'll be just fine. All right, guys. So anyway, we're keeping it lean. We got what do we got? We got 5 going in to the session. We haven't even looked at any gaps yet. We got some nice continuations, and let's get into it. We're just gonna keep it short and sweet. All right, guys. Let's get into it here.